Hello students, welcome to Well Explained PDF. In continuation with exercise 13.7, volume of a right circular cone from the chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Class 9, Maths, NCERT. So students, here I am with question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side (12 centimeter). Now find the volume of the solid so obtained. Okay, there is a right triangle ABC. Suppose this is a right triangle ABC, and we know the longest side, this is right angle at B, the longest side जो होती है triangle की वो hypotenuse होती है. Okay, so this is 13 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter and obviously this is 5 centimeter. ठीक है, अब ये जो ट्राइंगल है ये रिवॉल्व हुआ अबाउट दिस साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर, मीन्स इसको ऐसे रिवॉल्व कर दिए और क्या फिगर बन गया, एक कोन बन गया. ओके, नाउ दिस कोन हैज हाइट 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड बेस 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो ऑन रिवॉल्विंग द राइट ट्राइंगल ABC about the side AB साइड से हमने इसको रिवॉल्व किया, you know AB is equal to 12 centimeter. So we get a cone as shown in figure. ये जो फिगर बना है ये हमारे को ऐसा एक कोन मिला अगर हमने इसे 12 सेंटीमीटर वाली साइड से रिवॉल्व किए. ओके, नाउ इन दिस R is equal to 5 centimeter, H is equal to 12 centimeter. So we have to find out the volume of the solid. The solid is a right circular cone and volume का formula is volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. What we will get? 1/3 into pi into 5 into 5 into 12. 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25, 4s are 100 pi centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 8. If the triangle ABC in question 7 above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter, then find the volume of the solid so obtained and find the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in क्वेश्चन 7 एंड क्वेश्चन 8। तो क्वेश्चन 7 में तो वॉल्यूम हमारी 100 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आई। अब हम इसमें निकालेंगे। अब इनका कहना है ये कि अगर ये 5 सेंटीमीटर वाली साइड से रिवॉल्व हो रहा है, समझ रहे हैं आप, लॉन्गेस्ट साइड तो 13 सेंटीमीटर ही रहेगी, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है और ये 12 सेंटीमीटर, एंड नाउ इट इज रिवॉल्व इससे। तो व्हाट विल हैपन, फिर कोन ही बनेगा हैविंग द रेडियस। अब इसमें रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा, 12 सेंटीमीटर, और हाइट कितनी है, 5 सेंटीमीटर। तो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 1/3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1/3 into pi into 12 into 12 into 5. 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20, and 12 into 20 is 240. कितना आया हमारा, 240 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume if this figure is revolved around the side 5 centimeter. ठीक है। अब रेशियो ऑफ, therefore ratio of their volumes, ratio of volumes is equal to 100 pi upon 240 pi. pi से pi cancel, 0 से 0, 2 5s are, this is 5 upon 12, that is 5 is to 12. This is the answer. The required ratio is 5 is to 12. So when the figure was revolved around the side 12 centimeter, its volume was 100 pi centimeter cube. When it was revolved around the side 5 centimeter, the volume is 240 pi centimeter cube, and the ratio of their volumes is 5 is to 12. Now coming to question number 9. A heap of wheat. Heap of wheat means एक गेहूं, wheat means गेहूं, गेहूं का एक heap means ढेर लगा हुआ है. It is in the form of a cone. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. So we have to find its volume. Okay. Now this wheat is to be covered. The wheat is to be covered by a canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas. Find the area of the canvas required. Okay. ये जो wheat है, it is in the form of cone whose diameter is given 10.5 meter and its height is given 3 meter. First of all, we will find out the volume of the heap. So diameter is equal to 10.5 meter. That means radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2 meter. Height is given 3 meter. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2 into 3. We'll bring 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 3 cancels 3. Okay. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Here also 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. So what is here? It will come 11 into 3 into 21. क्या क्या बचा हमारे पास यहाँ पे? 11, 3 और 21 एंड नीचे बचा है 2 and 4. 2 into 4. So which is equal to, when you will multiply it and divide it, it will be 86.625 meter cube. So this is the volume of the heap. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of the canvas required. For finding out area, what do we need? We need slant height. Okay. So L square is equal to h square plus r square, which is equal to 3 square plus 10.5 upon 2 square. So L square is equal to 9 plus 27.56, which is equal to 36.56. Okay. L is equal to under root 36.56, which is equal to 6.05 meter. Area of required canvas is equal to pi r L, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into r is given 10.5 upon 2 into 6.05. Point तो 100 आया नीचे, point देगा 10 and you can do the calculation. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 2 twos are 11, then 2 fives are 5 twos are 10, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 121. So this is equal to 11 into 3 into 121 upon 40, which is equal to 99.825 meter square. This is your answer. That's all for the exercise 13.7. We will soon meet with exercise 13.8.